To Tisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find 5 raised to the power 3, raised to the power 1, all raised to the power 5, all raised to the power 0, all raised to the power 7. Let's see how we are. We will start from here. Now, 0 raised to the power 7, 0. So, we are going to have 5 raised to the power 1, raised to the power 5, and then because 0 raised to the power 7 is 0, that's it. And then we find 5 raised to the power 0. This is going to be 5 raised to the power 3, all raised to the power 1. 5 raised to the power 0 is also 1. And then 1 raised to the power 1 will also be 1. We are going to have 5 raised to the power 3, all raised to the power 1. And then we move forward. This 3 raised to the power 1 will be the same as 3. So we have 5 raised to the power, and 5 raised to the power 3 is 1.5. That is the answer. Viewers, if you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.